What's up, guys? Today is April 20th, and I read about this yesterday. I read in detail yesterday. Today is the unofficial Doge coin day, so let me know if you guys participate in buying Doge. Anyhow, this is about Coinbase, and Coinbase went public not too long ago. I did a video about it. I personally didn't buy any shares of it. And this came out because since now they're a public company, all information is public now in terms of like who sells what, including shares. So CEO Brian Armstrong sold 749,999 shares, just under 750K shares. He sold in 3 batches at prices ranging from 381 to 410.40 per share for a total of just under $300 million. So he sold that many shares to profit $300 million almost. It seems that the CEO sold about 1.5% of his stake. And that's a pretty big chunk, especially having one day. Another SEC filing, which SEC, if you didn't know, Security Exchange Commission, they oversee basically the stock market. It was to close that Coinbase director and venture capitalist Fred Wilson sold 4.7 million shares to make $1.82 billion. Jeez. It's unclear how many shares he still owns or holds. He's listed in the filings holding of at least 10% of the shares, which is a market cap of $63 billion. Wow, that's a lot. So anyway, or actually, I said that wrong. He owns 10% of the shares. Right now, the market cap is, it's $64 billion. So if he owns 10% of that, obviously he sold some. So it's still a pretty good portion. I mean, he still owns probably billions of dollars still. Let's say four or 5 billion, I would say, close to it. Union Square Ventures, a VC firm led by Wilson, sold 4.7 million shares from its 2012 fund for proceeds of $1.2 billion, according to another filing. They also own 10% of Coinbase shares. Together with the CEO, those two firms, basically, Wilson and the other firm, Union Square Ventures, they accounted for more than 2/3 of the $5 billion worth of shares sold. Wow. Software engineer venture capitalist Mark Andreessen, I think that's how you say it. It's a weird spelling, who is a Coinbase director as well as a holder of more than 10% of the exchange shares together with his firm. Sold a total of 1.2 million shares for $450 million almost. So they're saying this is pretty common when a stock goes public. A lot of these venture capitalists sell some of their shares to get their money back, however much they pumped into the company. But two, it's definitely a lot of money. You're talking about billions of dollars. It's insane. I think I also read too that rapper Nas made $100 million. So did Kevin Durant, made a pretty good profit, basketball player. Their whole thing was they didn't do an IPO necessarily. They did a direct listing, meaning that as soon as the stock become public, you and I could buy it, or anyone else could buy it. Typically, a company does an IPO launch. So before the IPO gets to the public, me and you, bigger companies like other venture capitalists purchase, or investment firms purchase it at a cheaper price, and then the price goes up by the time it goes to the public for sale. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys purchase Coinbase? I think right now it's at, where's that? It's at $321. The highest it got was $430 a share. So just curious to know if you guys purchased any shares. And if you guys do want to purchase shares or other companies, a few links down below, especially Webull. They're giving away 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more. So, and one of those stocks will be a big company like Google or Starbucks. Also, if you're new to the channel, appreciate you guys hit the subscribe button, bringing content like this every single week. So I appreciate the subscribes, all the likes, and all the current people that follow me. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for helping me grow the channel. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, peace.